Hello everybody, it's John from immoviewer 360, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can add additional contact information into your account. So first step is go to the contact information option on the left option panel. As you can see here, click on contact information. Now you have two options here. You can click on contact options, which shows you all the contact information you've already added into your account, or you can also add additional contact options right here. So in this case, let's just play around with this for goofs. Let's add a person named John and his name Wick. Wick at gmail.com. Let's pretend that's his email address, and his mobile phone number is 585 902 0601. And here you can also add his profile image. Now, this checkbox right here notifies this contact information if ever a client, an audience, or a viewer contacts the agent. So he gets notified. So you want to make sure that you have this checked all the time, just to get you notified via email if ever somebody's viewing your tour or requesting to reach out to you. So let's try and add a profile image right here. Let's click on, there we go. Looks like we have his picture. You can also add your agency name, street, city, and address, and all those good stuff. So as soon as you're done, just click on submit. And there you have it. We have John Wick added to our list. But as you can see here, he is not assigned to any tour at all. So you can assign a tour to Mr. Wick here by going to My Tours and clicking on this gear icon right here. You click on Edit Basic Information, reassign it to whichever agent you want to assign it to. There you have it. Lastly, in order for you to edit your contact information, you can actually do so by clicking on Contact Information, click on Contact Options, and on the right side, or the rightmost column, you should see Actions, and there are two buttons in there. You can delete this contact, or you can edit their contact information in case you want to modify it. So you can change the, say for example, we made a mistake with a mobile phone number. Let's just change that to 5698. There you have it. Click on submit, and it should reflect on the tour itself. So if we play this tour now, as I am demonstrating shortly, you should see, as soon as this tour loads, you should now see Mr. Wick's photo on the lower right-hand corner of your screen. So guys, again, this is John from immoviewer 360. If you have any questions, comments, feedback, suggestions, email us at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.